Hello. Thursday was a pretty cloudy but very mild day. Temperatures reached 14.4 Celsius in a couple of spots. Friday won't be quite as mild. A little bit cooler, a little bit fresher, but more in the way of sunshine and just for some of us a few showers around, particularly across parts of Scotland.
It's quite a stormy week so far. Things quietening down a touch for the weekend. Bit of good news to start with. Some will still stay windy though, but out there today, after a very blustery start, still got winds gusting around 40, 50 miles an hour there. The winds will ease down. Many places become dry after some early showers and a lot sunnier. The showers will continue across some northern areas.
You've got a day of extremes to tell us about today, haven't you, one way or another?
I have. I'll have more on what's going on in Europe in about an hour's time. Some record heat. Here, you both came in this morning. Pretty blustery out there this morning.
Oh, my goodness, I thought another storm had come through, waking me up at 3 o'clock this morning. But actually, that was just a bit of normal everyday weather.
Bit of normal everyday weather, if you can call it that. Yeah, so as we transition from the milder weather yesterday to the fresher conditions of today. Very good morning to you. Let's have a step forward, though, into the weekend, because as we've already hinted, it's been quite a stormy week, hasn't it, so far? But this weekend, for many of you at least, it's looking reasonably quiet, reasonably dry, bit of sunshine at times too. But in parts of Scotland, we'll continue with the showers, and it's here where some of the windiest conditions will still continue. Let's take a look at the rainfall for the weekend, first of all, because it will be focused on the north and west of Scotland. Very little rain elsewhere, as you can see from our rainfall chart, but it's around the northwest Highlands. We could see up to 2 inches of rainfall as we go through the weekend, and it's here where we'll see widespread gales throughout. And in the Western Isles, those winds will be topping 60, maybe 70 miles an hour at times, compared to lighter winds elsewhere. So this is where we'll find the windiest weather this weekend.
And actually, we're talking about some extremely hot weather in Spain. The numbers here, I couldn't quite believe when you told me this morning, Matt.
No, it's incredible, isn't it? I know it's that time of year, January, we all look to warmer climes, dreams of summer holidays. These were the views in Spain over the last couple of days, but with that sunshine has come some incredible warmth. Let me just show you the temperature yesterday in parts of eastern Spain. At Chelva, just inland from Valencia, we saw temperatures almost approaching 30 Celsius. Quick reminder, it is January. That's a good 13, 14 degrees above where it should be. Certainly not normal at all. And further north in Andorra, again, record-breaking January heat. Should be 8. We got to around 23 degrees. That's having a big impact, of course, on the snow in the Pyrenees too. Now, if I just switch this chart behind me to one which shows how temperatures compared to normal, those deep reds just show how much above normal it is. The redder it is, the higher above normal, blue, colder. Most of Europe seeing above average temperatures at the moment. That's because we've had low pressure in the Atlantic, dragging the air all the way from the mid-Atlantic, boosting the warmth almost universally. Now, we're at or just above normal. That drops a little bit as we go westerly through today, but just watch what happens as I run that chart as we go through into the weekend. South to southwesterly winds develop, bringing some of that warmth from Spain. We will not get anywhere near as high as that, but compared to normal, significantly warmer across parts of the north and west UK as we go through into Sunday. So that's on the way.
Not good.
Matt's going to have a look at the weather for us now, and we're going to be outdoors in a few minutes' time on the look at the big garden bird watch scheme. I think we're in North Wales, but generally, how's it looking if you want to...
I think it'd be a good weekend to get out and look at the birds. And with temperatures rising, it might get them a bit more active. I'm sure Justin will let us know. But, yeah, better weekend in store than we've had so far this week. Very good morning too. Yes, after the stormy weather, a little bit of calm-ish out there at the moment. It has been very blustery so far this morning, but a bit of sunshine as the showers clear away from the southeast.